And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how to set up for keyboard.class. So keyboard.class is nothing but getting user input from the user. So but we need to set up some files. So just go to the link given in the description and just download this file. So after downloading it, so just click on the file and it will open. So it will open a Java source code. So just copy that code by press Ctrl+A on your keyboard and Ctrl+C to copy. Then go to your Eclipse and then create a new class. Then go to new and create a new class. So name the class as keyboard, not anything else but name it as keyboard. It will and click on the publish status. It will, I will cancel it because I have already made it. Then just just paste the code on the keyboard class and just save the code. So here is the code. So this is a very big code. That's why I have not given how to write this code. So just save. Press Ctrl+S on the keyboard and save it. So in my next video, I will show you how to get user input. So this class is very important. So just keep it. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. And comment also. Thank you.